What up, YouTube? It's your boy Spider1330 back with another video. What's good? What's cracking? How y'all everybody doing? Like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Those that stay with me, thank you. Appreciate it. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Please help a brother out. Like, share, subscribe, share with your family and friends. Excuse me a second. Share with your family and friends. And I got a giveaway when I reach 1,000. I have a giveaway. This wind is pretty strong, and the bricks can't even hold it. I get them sandbags. But if I reach 1,000 subscribers, I have a giveaway, and it'll be worth it, y'all. Help a brother out. For today's video install, I'm upgrading my dash cam CarPlay, wireless CarPlay. My car's a 2022, and they don't even have wireless plug. I had this one, which I've seen. I've done an install on it. It works perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. Just that I have a bigger vehicle. It's hard to see. Plus, when you're riding, all these accent stuff. So I need one with cameras. It has a dash, so it's a dash cam. And so this one I'm gonna just hold. Somebody that don't need cameras is good for. I try to give it to my son. He don't want it. He rather two of them. I told him he need it. So we got this here called multimedia player. Android Auto, wireless Android Auto, and CarPlay, and it also has music, AirPlay, Android Link, voice assistant. So basically, you can mirror your phone and all that to it too, but that's not the reason why I got it. All right, so we're gonna unbox it. I already took my panels off for my wiring, so I can get to it. Gonna mount it up here on this ball mount. Up here, we're gonna mount it there. The screen is a little smaller, which is good, and hopefully it works better. Oh, so we're gonna need that docking stand. So it's gonna go here like this. Hopefully it won't be in my way. Put it like that. I still got these plugs here. And it already has a ball mount on it. So I'm definitely gonna need that one. Let me see if it has a mount. Let's see what it got. It got the screen. Got this stuff here. Got your wires. Camera. This is a one camera. Two cameras. I guess this might be the rear one because the wires are longer. Got your mounts. Handlebar mount and this mount and the power and ground, which is the easiest. I'm probably gonna run that first. And now let's get this install in, alright? Bring y'all on this side so you can see what I'm doing. So here you got your, you already know. Ouch. Your accessory outlet. So that way, when I turn the bike off, everything turns off. Best way to do it. Turn the bike off, everything turns off. Let me see if I can fish it up this way. Cord. Come off. All right. All the way down. I have to drop the wire. That ain't gonna go like that, y'all. I can see it now, not going without a fight. I'm gonna drop this down in here. Let me take the speaker cover off so I can get access to it. Be better for me. Drop this power and ground down in here. Like so. That's it here. So. Hmm. Up and down here. Hmm. Right here like so. And I believe that would be the hardest part of this thing. So I gotta run the cameras too. Give yourself enough slack. Dash cam right here. Just enough room. Turning handlebar turning space. So that's good right here. Put this like that. Stick that through there. Fit through here. Just till I'm done. I don't lose it. Okay. Put that there. Tuck these wires. That's the motor there. I don't want to wrap around the motor. Let's put it all right here. Put it in like this. Still leave these all like this basically. Have this hit like that. I'll zip tie this right here. Right there like that. I think I still got some black ones in here left somewhere. I'm gonna put this around here like this. That. Zip tie. There we go. Right. Got my power and ground. Wire spaces. Like I said, I got this going right to the accessory. The other one was made to go direct to the battery. Oh man, I cut the whole wire. How the fuck that? Get in here like that. There you go. How the fuck that cut the whole wire? That's too. Alright, I do it a little bit. The same with the black one. So I left an accessory wire available to tap into. So it wouldn't be hard and keep splicing and moving in. So now these here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me mount this up here. I'm gonna just ship this cover here for now. I might have to go back in here, so I'm gonna snap it all the way in yet. Alright, this mount. You got different mounts. But because it has a ball on it already, I'm not gonna use the handlebar mount or have other type of neck mounts. I'm not gonna use those because I want to put it right here on this ball mount. And it came with zip ties, and this is a key lock. Okay, this is a key lock mechanism, so that must be in here. Yes, it is. I think it's a security key lock mechanism, so you can't steal it, I'm assuming. Yeah. Oh, good. That's, and my cup holder is like this. So this particular one has a key lock mechanism to tighten it. See, because this is flat in there, so you can't get to that. Can't turn that. So this key can go in, that's the way you lock it. I like that. I'll put this one in this end. I loosen a little bit. There we go. Now I'm gonna have to loosen it all the way. I'm gonna have to get the top head in. Top part. Yo! So I'll put this one down in here like this. I'll loosen a little more. I don't want it too loose because I don't want it to come out. One. Come on, you know, that's a pain in but get in. Might have to. Let's try this one first. Got that one in there. That one in there. One more. I want to lose it too much. I don't want it to come out. That's the thing. There we go. Okay. So now you can change, also tighten this in different angles too. It's cool. You have it this way. Oh, that's good. I have it that way. That's even better, so it's not in my way. Alright, I want to sit down on this bike and see which angle will be best for me. Because I still want to see my dashboard. Oh, this is perfect. This is beautiful. I can have this like this. Oh, my music goes here though. Can't have this. Have it like this. Tablet goes here for my music. Let's see, we gotta work something. Now the tablet can be right here. My tablet was right here. So I gotta make room for both. I might have to put this. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, trying to keep the sun off me. That's got the active. I don't want to block the dash though. You got so much stuff up here. Tablet goes right here like this. Let me see. Let me see. I need to see my dash too. I got this here right in front of me blocking my dash. Like this. That is not blocking the dash either. I can see the dash. I can see that. Put my tablet mount back here. That's the thing. So I can put it like this. And I'm good like that. Let's see what that mount. Let's see how big that mount is. This is good like this. And these wires will go. These three cords will go up under here. Here. One. Two. Let's see. Wow. These bricks is not holding. Let's see if it'll hold like that. The heavy brick. Have to get a heavier brick to help hold it thing down. That should hold. We got one more for the other side. Leave the fucking gate open, man. So that's what I hate. You leave out. Why are you leaving the gate open? Close the gate. Closing the link. He's a heavy rock. Okay, sorry. Wind blowing everything. Alright. Yeah, let me get the mount for the tablet. That has to go on. This mount tablet. Yeah, I'm trying to put the tablet down. Tablet mount. Yeah. It was this one, right? Alright, yeah, so I got one camera. I ran the plug on this camera. Oh, no taper. Gotta be double-sided tape now. Has to be. And it's gonna go right in the middle right there. So I'll hold this down. And hopefully it's double-sided tape in here. It better be. Okay, yeah, I can already say. I ain't got no double-sided tape in this bag. I said in this bag. I don't know why I don't see it in that bag. So it better be. Hoping there's 2 packs in here. Okay, it's 2. I can already say, why is there only one double-sided tape now? I'm not screwing nothing. So you take a double-sided tape. This stuff is strong. Make sure you see the holes gotta be right. Okay. I'm glad they did that so you don't put the line up the wrong way. Trying to get the sucker off. I don't have no nails. You want just to tape. And the whole damn thing. A pain in the butt. Shoot. Let me find this double side and then I get back to you. Alright, so I need a little screwdriver. Get this dog on tape. This stuff is strong. Make sure when you go to mount, you got it where you want it. If not, you're gonna be screwed. This stuff is very strong. Take alcohol with my fingers. Fingers got dirt on me. I don't want to mess up the stickiness, you know? Now I gotta make sure I got this right in the middle. Right there. Directly in the middle, right? Like that. Perfect, right there. Now you take out this paper. Before you set it, and make sure you're straight. Right in the middle. Make sure you got it right where you want the wires to be in the way. Push down. Front and rear. Yeah, the camera's gonna be adjustable, so that's good. Hold it there. Let it set. It was quick to reach this. I stuck my hand through there. I ran it through here. Reached my hand on the side and boom, that was it. Yeah, that was good. And it looks like it's in the middle. Pointing straight. Look like it's pointing straight. I stuck my hand up through here and pulled it through. So now I'm gonna try. This is gonna be a problem, y'all. The back one. I'm probably gonna have to take the seat, so stand by. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna put everything back together. It was a mission. I had a short, how I had a short in the ground right now. My 12 volt USB is working and I got access to it. And I got a 12 volt on this side, cigarette lighter. Alright, so that's also good. I have to set this up. I'm gonna do another video. I also added cuff, handlebar cuffs for the mounts. You can mount them anywhere. You can put mounts on the front, the back, wherever. So I also added those right quick while I was gone, because my wife waiting on me and we gonna go out. So, you know, I just had to do that right quick. Alright. Everything is on. I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna do another video now and I set it up, but that's it for now. I came out early with the camera. I don't know what happened, didn't record. So this is the CarPlay install. That's how you hit video. See how clear that's behind us. See it, right? see it on the screen. Nice and clear. Let me see if I can stand it up a little to see the screen and see my hand. I think so. Let me see if I can see. You see my hand? Can you see my hand? You probably couldn't now, right? See my hand nice and clear. And then I'll show you the camera here in front. Right there. And then here's the RT in Bose 3D and Bose carbon fiber lettering. That is finished. I didn't realize myself the video in my edit that it was dark. And I didn't know that. So now I'm trying to take it down so they get a good look at it. Back here. Alright, so there you have it. Dashcam install. Central Fahrenheit install. Good. It's your boy Spyder RT. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Bye, safe. Peace.